Hey everyone, welcome back to Storytime with MS Lily. Today we're soaring through the sky with a story about a curious cloud and the importance of following your dreams, even if they seem impossible. So, grab your fluffiest pillow and get ready for a fluffy adventure. High above a bustling city lived a fluffy cloud named Cotton. Unlike his brothers and sisters, who stayed put in the sky, Cotton dreamed of exploring the world below. He yearned to see the bustling streets, the rolling hills and the vast oceans, all things he had only seen from afar. One sunny afternoon, a strong wind blew, separating Cotton from his cloud family. He drifted over the city, feeling both scared and excited. Below him he saw a young boy named Alex gazing up at the sky with a look of wonder. Cotton, gathering his courage, lowered himself closer to Alex. Alex gasped in surprise, but his eyes sparkled with delight. "A talking cloud," he exclaimed. "That's the coolest thing ever." Cotton and Alex spent the afternoon chatting. Alex shared his dreams of becoming a pilot, and Cotton told him about his desire to explore the world. They formed an instant friendship, a boy and a cloud, their imaginations soaring together. As the sun began to set, Alex knew Cotton couldn't stay. Suddenly he had an idea. He ran inside his house and emerged with a kite. He tied a strong string to Cotton, gently guiding him into the sky. Together, Alex and Cotton embarked on an amazing journey. They soared over the city, Cotton feeling the wind rush through his fluffy form. He saw everything he had ever dreamed of: bustling streets, parks filled with children, and even a glimpse of the shimmering ocean in the distance. As the sky filled with stars, Alex, guided by Cotton, safely landed the kite near his house. They said their goodbyes, both forever changed by their unexpected adventure. The next morning, a gentle breeze reunited Cotton with his family. He shared his incredible story, leaving his siblings speechless. From that day on, Cotton continued to dream big, knowing that even a cloud could have an extraordinary adventure. And that, my friends, is the story of the curious cloud who learned that following your dreams, no matter how unusual they may seem, can lead to unexpected friendships and amazing experiences. Remember, always keep your head, or in this case, your fluffy body up, and reach for the stars. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories, and have a wonderful day.